Yo, Mr. Ching, the food them had yesterday, that one roach in it, you know.
You a liar. You always come here and you say roach in your food. Ain't no roach in your food. You stop lying. Why every time you come here you always lying?
Yo,
You get out of my
want
store.
money back in
You
there.
get out of my store, you
Money back.
liar.
I tell
You a
everybody say
liar.
roach
You
right
always
here selling
lying.
ya. Sir, me take so long for come.
It's alright as long as me get to see you, Anthony.
You look sexy today, man. Why you pretty as hell.
Let's make it quick.
Yo, my dog, I
liar.
have to do I
You
give
come
back
here
my
with the
money
same
in a
story
dog and
every
I
day.
feel
You
one,
a
so you
liar.
know.
You a
And you
liar.
put roach
You
in
a
the
liar.
phone now, no,
You
I
a-
have
no, I don't put
one.
roach in
Give
my
back
food. You a
money,
liar.
Mr. Ching.
Stop coming
Give
in my
back
store.
money, I'm
You
not
a
telling nobody
liar.
say I sell roach.
You get back in my store, I'm gonna kick you out. You are a liar. You batty boy. You are a liar. And take your friend with you and don't come back to my store.
Which part Anthony them supposed to babysit Junior today? And he promised me same that babysit Anthony too. Who you be? Why you in here? Look like I wanna Anthony other girl them.
Excuse me, listen to me. Me and Anthony are there, alright? Me rent out him room.
Well, Anthony promised me same would I babysit Junior today, so Junior stay right here. So until him come, then come in and bring him back home. Come tell me say I'm gonna babysit Junior today, so I'm gonna babysit him.
You can't leave your pitney here. So after I'm not there, where you think me I go watch your pitney?
Listen, you're good and me have places to go in now. So so the pitting them yeah, where I leave.
The Rosses me get myself in now. Yo, dog, thanks for helping me out today. Yeah, don't worry about it, you know, dog. You're my brethren and I'm a rate, yeah. Oh, a long time you want any girl still, you know. Yeah, dog, I don't know your manager all them girl, you know. You need to find one nice girl for yourself, you know. You're mad. Want a girl in the world and if I only have one? You're mad. I try to pick that one special girl, you know, that's why you go on. So, but one day, man, you're gonna meet one girl, we're gonna make your heart pump. Easy, man, Brian. I will if a girl make my heart pump, you know, or you think me still alive. See my wife, yeah, dog, but love her, you see. Alright, man, I'm gonna leave on the two lovebirds alone. I forgot home.
Baby, come we go KFC and I'm hungry, you know? After that we can go home and cook you some dinner. Your favorite curry goat.
Look, okay, stop spilling paint on the floor. You know? Alright, no bother with the balling. Calm down. What a little boy they gone. Look, boy, stop playing that tally. Sir, but I come take care of pitney them now, and I'm look at maid. I'm gonna take up your offer.